Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can install Voicemod voice changer on your PC. So go ahead and type Voicemod on your search bar and you'd want to go to this link right here, voicemod.net. So just click on this. And here, as you can see, it reads free real-time voice changer. So it works on Discord, Zoom, Google Meet, and all of the following. It also works on YouTube as well. All you have to do is click on Get Voicemod for free and it will lead you to this page. You can enter it with Discord or Twitch or even Google, but as of the moment, I am just going to click Discord. So just authorize that. And that should automatically start the download. Once that is complete, just click the setup, select your language, click OK, click on next, and just accept the agreement. If you want to read it, that's fine. Click on next. Next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, just tap on that. If not, then just untick it. And here you can create a quick launch shortcut. So if you're set, just tap next and install. Once that is completed, if you want to launch it, then just tick on launch Voicemod and then click finish. Once the app is open, just click on get started and it will lead you to this page that says you're in. If you check my account, as you can see, I'm already connected to Discord because that's what I chose earlier, and this is my email address, so that should be good to go. Now go back to the Voicemod app and it should be loading like this. And then here you can just select the microphone and the speakers you'd normally use and click on continue. And here you should be able to see that the microphone is working perfectly as well as the speakers, and just click on continue and get rid of that by clicking on the X right here. All right, and then after that, just close the ads, and here you can just choose whatever sound you'd want to use. I hope this helped. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.